Hello, Beanie Baby besties. How are you today? I hope you're having a great day today. Welcome back to my channel. This is Beanie Baby Babies. I'm Brandi, and on here, we talk about all things Beanie Babies. And today, we're talking about the Clubbies collection. This is our first Clubby. He came out in 1998. Clubby, his birthday is July 7th, 1998.
Wearing his club pin for all to see. He's a proud member, like you and me. Made especially with you in mind. Clubby the bear is one of a kind.
Clubby is a dark blue bear with a rainbow ribbon and an official Beanie Baby official club pin. Now, it must have come in a bag because I got one still in its bag. These came in the mail. You had to be a member of the Beanie Babies official club to get one. I bet it came with the official membership kit. It's just a guess. I know a lot of you probably weren't born yet, but I was in college and I wasn't super into Beanie Babies. I know, like sometimes my family was, so I got into like the teeny Beanie Babies McDonald's experience, but let's just say I would not have had a Beanie Baby YouTube channel in 1998. Not that YouTube was a thing. It was. Okay. Here's the next one. This guy says Clubby on its tush tag, but up here in its hang tag, in its 5th generation hang tag, you can see that it is Clubby II. Its birthday is March 9th, 1999. And let's read its poem.
A proud club member named Clubby II. My color is special, a purplish hue. Take me along to your favorite place. Carry me in my platinum case.
And what was the platinum case, you ask? Well, my, this is the Beanie Babies official club platinum case. Clubby came with a certificate, a membership certificate. You can write your name right there. This guy came with collector's cards. We opened a pack yesterday, so I'll post a link of that. Ooh, this pack isn't opened yet. Should I open it? Let's open it. Okay, what's in there? Millennium the Bear, Platinum Edition, Limited Edition. This one is Beak. Beak is a kiwi bird, and Princess. Excellent. I have all 3 of those bears. I mean, that one's not a bear, that's a bird. I have all 3 of these. Do you guys? Leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you have these 3 in your collections? Well, right. This kit also came with your very own pretend credit card, Beanie Babies, Official Club Platinum Edition. Bam! It came with a pocket checklist, convenient to carry to the store with you, down to the local Hallmark, and check off your little animals there, see what you got and who you get. And then it came with the official Beanie Babies newsletter. Whoa. Oh, you could give this to your friends so that they can register too. Ah, it has a maze. Clubby is lost. Help him find his way back to the clubhouse. Sure, no problem. BeanieBabyOfficialClub.com. Our club website, BeanieBabyOfficialClub.com, is currently being reviewed and will relaunch this spring with an all-new format. We hope to bring a little of the Beanie experience to members and non-members alike, which is why we'll be keeping some areas of the site open to the public. However, the best parts of our club will be saved for our club members. And both gold and platinum members will receive exclusive access to all new areas, including more interactive games, downloadable images, and special club information. We will also be continuously updating and improving the site So be sure to revisit as often as you'd like. We always love visits from club members. Here is Clubby's word search. Good times, good times. 1998 recap, first edition. First, there was the unveiling of Clubby on the Today Show, then an exhaustive nationwide tour, and finally the trek to lots and lots of homes for the BBOC first edition kit and our friend Clubby. Boy, was he tired by the time 1998 came to a close. The BBOC wants to thank each and every Gold Charter member for their participation in our first edition kit. And we want to especially thank those who waited patiently for Clubby to arrive. Our goal when we started the year was to be one of the biggest and best clubs ever. We certainly achieved that goal, but we have a lot more in store for gold and platinum members in the future, taking the club to even higher levels. We've learned a lot on our first year together, which is why you see some changes in this year's BBOC kit. The biggest thing we learned is that our members wanted their exclusive beanie right away. So this year we took your advice and have put him in with the rest of the great items in the Platinum Edition. We also will be relaunching our website for your pleasure and participation. Please come visit us soon. What's the difference between gold and platinum memberships? What does it mean if you have both? It's really simple. Read on and we'll explain it to you. The only way you can become a Gold Charter member is to purchase the first edition kit. And only Gold Charter members will receive the Gold Beanie benefits. Gold Charter members will receive exclusive offers and future newsletters. I don't feel like reading anymore. You get the idea. So, this was the first one, and it came with this blue bear. But they didn't come together. They came separate. So you get this part first. And what's in here, you ask? I'd love to tell you. It's a pocket guide. There's a charter member card. A certificate with my mom's name on it. Oh, I can't get it back together. Okay, there's a newsletter. And the newsletter has word search and puzzles. Oh my gosh, that poster! That poster that I thought was wrapping paper. Oh, what's it say about it? Use all your Beanie Babies official club stickers to play with your poster. You can enjoy placing your favorite Beanie Babies in their natural environments, or put them in exciting new lands so they can start all new adventures. Whether you place them high in the sky, or in the cold snow of the Arctic, in the evergreens of the forest, or in the plains of the Midwest, in the jungles of Africa, or the clear blue ocean, you and your Beanie Babies are sure to have loads of fun. See if you can find the initials BBOC in each unique environment. Try to locate all 5. The original 9. A short time ago in the bean patch not far away, the first of the Beanie Babies were discovered. Since they were so small and cute, the kind folks at Ty decided to take them in and give them a home to the family, but none so special as the original 9. Spot. Legs. Splash. I don't have that one. Flash. Squealer. Pinchers. Cubby. I gave him away. Patty. And Chocolate. Chocolate. Some of the original 9 have since retired and gone off to travel the world, bringing love and joy everywhere they visit. No matter how far they roam, they will always be in our hearts. And here's to you, little ones. We couldn't have done it without you. Yeah. Okay. And then there's the official club checklist. That looks like this. Cool. Oh, I was like, another certificate, but I guess you put that other one that I showed you on here. Sticker sheets. Guess what? The sticker sheets are still in here. Stickers. They're so cute. Stickers. All right. So that was Clubby 1, Clubby 2. Now on to Clubby 3. I don't think I have any paperwork to go with it. It is a Beanie Babies 2000 official club bear. It's one of those where like it's a brown bear, but it also has like blue in its fur too. Do you see that variegation? It's really interesting. And a blue ribbon. Let's read what it says. Open up this hang tag protector. It says, Clubby III's birthday is June 30th, 2000. I'm as happy as can be because I joined BBOC. We'll play games, have lots of fun because this club is #1. Next was Clubby IV. So I actually have 2 of these that are unopened. They had like a tamper seal sticker on it, which we obviously took off. But the gimmick was, which button will you get off? I mean, which button will you get? So this one you can see is the rainbow button, and it's covered up in there by that white sticker, covers its button. And you can either get that rainbow one, like we got the silver or the gold. So this is like a blue and purple and sparkly fur with a purple sheer ribbon with gold trim, really pretty. Clubby IV, that's Roman numeral for 4, and its birthday is August 4th, 2001.
Which button do you think you'll get? A gold, a silver, or the whole set? Clubby IV has a surprise for you. Ty Warner autographed a few.
Wow. So the autograph would be like on here, I guess. Let's see what this paper tells us. Join the club. There's a new member registration form, a BBOC exclusive offer order form. Oh, see, you could only get the Club Buddy, 2 of these BBOC boppers, and the set of Clubby Jingle Beanies box. You could only get them if you were a club member. And the Buddy costs $10 each. The boppers were $9 each. And that Jingle Beanies collection was $12. I think I have a bunch of Clubby Buddies too. Oh, but like I said, we never opened these 2. So I don't know which buttons they have. Maybe it's a silver or a gold. Maybe someday I'll do it here on this channel. Leave me a comment if you want to see that. Okay, so next up are these guys. Now, this, no. This isn't next yet. Hold on. It's not your turn yet. Sorry. Is this one? Clubby. Now, this doesn't say Clubby V. It says Clubby 5th Anniversary Edition. Its birthday is June 20th, 2002.
5 years ago, we made some plans to make a club for Beanie fans. We introduced this new Clubby to thank you for your loyalty.
It's a really pretty pink Clubby with some purple fur variegation colors in there. And it has like a pink and a purple rainbowed sheer ribbon with a gold trim. And I am lucky enough to have 2 of those. Now we're gonna talk about Clubby VI, Clubby VI. So oddly enough, these are all Clubby VIs with like sparkles all over the fur. Super cute. Clubby VI, Clubby VI, April 9, 2003. Some say that good things come in 3s. That's why this Clubby's sure to please. With Clubby VI, you'll always be so glad you joined the BBOC. I didn't really hear the rhyme in that, but okay. Oh, I want to show you too on the back. It matches their button, the BBOC official club logo. So there we have it. They all have the same like silver sparkles on top of their fur. Blue one, the purple one, potbelly style twins, and then this one, the really pretty rainbow matching official club logo button. It has a rainbow ribbon, 10 years, Beanie Babies tie. April 9th, 2003, same poem. The Beanie Babies collection. There are more than this. They go up to Clubby 8s. So there's a Clubby 7 and a Clubby 8 that I don't have. But I do have some jingle beanies that are Clubbies. And I have some Beanie Buddies that are Clubbies. So let me know if you want to see, if you want me to dig out the Beanie Buddies tote. I always want to say Bubby, like we called our babies. But if you want to see me dig out the Clubby Buddies to see those, to see which ones I have, I will do that if you ask nicely in the comments. So leave me a message. Let me know if you guys have Clubbies, if you made it to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. I wouldn't be here without you. And thank you to all of our subscribers. I really feel like we're building a really nice community here of Beanie Baby besties. And that's all. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.